Hello, my name is Daniel Castro, and I will be showing some examples of the chain rule and how to solve them.
Okay, now time for the math. First, we're gonna start by getting rid of the square root by flipping our numbers using the chain rule. Right here, we're gonna flip the numbers, and we're gonna also we are taking the equation and rewriting it as our ddx, which would be this one. Then after that, the next step is to take the derivative of it, which is shown right here. The derivative of 9x to the third power to the third is 27x squared. Then after that, my favorite part is reincorporating all the numbers together. Which is shown right here. We distribute our values on the bottom a little bit better, and we get our answer. These are the values. We're gonna distribute them a little bit better. Okay, now time for problem number 2. First, we're going to rewrite it. In here, we got our original numbers. Then we're gonna use the chain rule, and we're gonna rewrite it like this. We're gonna use it right here, and we're gonna get our ddx right here, which is the denominator of our numbers right here, of our fraction. Next step is to take the derivative of it. Which is shown right here. Well, actually, the last step, we're gonna place the derivative of ddx on top of the denominator. We're gonna place it on the numerator. We're gonna place this on the numerator, and we get out our answer. Okay, now ready for problem number 3. Well, for this one, first, we're taking the numerator out of the equation, so we're throwing it all the way to the front of our equation. So yeah, then we're gonna apply that exponent rule, which is shown right here, so we can get rid of that annoying fraction right there. And next, as always, we're applying that chain rule. We're gonna apply that chain rule right here, and we're gonna rewrite our ddx right here. Then we are reincorporating our number 2 into the equation. Then we're gonna take the derivative of the ddx, which is -5. After that is simply just simplifying a little bit more, and we get our answer. And last but not least, we got problem number 4. In this problem, we got something different. What is the difference in this problem? Simple. The sign. The sign is the only difference. Well, for that, we're gonna apply that chain rule real quick, and we're gonna get rid of that sign, and we're gonna convert it into a cosine. Well, now instead of a sine, we're gonna have a cosine, and we get our ddx, which is this right here. Then we're gonna take the derivative of the ddx, which is gonna leave us this right here. Okay, good. Then this would be our answer. We're just reincorporating the ddx into the equation, and voila, we're done with problem number 4. There are a few things to which I'd like to point out at, and those are steps that might be easy to forget but are crucial while doing the chain rule. And those are, of course, taking the ddx and not just doing that, but also taking its derivative. Because sometimes, and this used to happen to me a lot, I used to forget taking the derivative of the ddx, and sometimes even taking the ddx. So we gotta be very aware of that. Always take your ddx and its derivative. Never forget, because I know after doing lots of the same thing, like very repetitive problems, we tend to forget some steps. But with practice, we're gonna forget those steps little by little. We're gonna stop forgetting those steps little by little. And yeah, we're gonna get better results over time. Yeah. Also, another little detail I want to point out at is reincorporating the ddx derivative into the equation, and simplifying it a little bit more, just so it is more it's simpler. That was my chain rule lesson. So I hope y'all like it, and see y'all next time. Bye bye.